Knowing how your mind works is the first step in being able to strengthen your conscience so that you can unlock your true potential and level up. This video, we're going to go over the fundamentals of your conscience and your subconscious. Your mind is separated into two sides, your conscience and your subconscious. Your subconscious runs your automatic system, and your conscience runs your non automatic system. Your subconscious can multitask, process, store, and retrieve massive amounts of data. It generates emotion and is creative. It generates ideas but only operates in the present, meaning that the word future is not in its dictionary. Your conscience can focus, apply critical thinking and logic, delay gratification, and can override your automatic system and habits. And your conscience has the ability to see in the future and plan ahead. When these systems are properly balanced, your automatic system takes care of your second to second tasks, and your conscience focuses on making decisions that will benefit both sides long term. That is the goal. However, most people are not balanced and they lean heavily towards the subconscious side. This leads to a YOLO type lifestyle that lives for instant gratification. Here's an example. Person A only eats yummy foods filled with salt, sugar, and fat, consumes massive amounts of media through their phone, TV, computer, or video games, oversleeps, parties a lot, works as little as possible, is unmotivated, low self esteem and self control, and typically holds the victim mentality but blames external sources instead of their own subconscious. Where person B is balanced. They delay gratification by doing what is uncomfortable now, exercise, eat well, work hard, educates themselves, pushes themselves, have a high confidence and self esteem, and has self control and is motivated. The reason we end up being like person A is because our subconscious is lazy. Not in a negative context, but your brain is only 2% of your body mass, but it consumes 20% of your body's resources, meaning it's very expensive for your mind to run, so your subconscious is looking for the easiest way to get something done. When your subconscious is not kept in check by the conscience, it will default to that which will make it feel good in the moment, regardless of how bad it is for you in the future. The more your subconscious mind does this, the more habits and micro habits it creates, making this more and more your character / who you are as a person until you end up like person A, who can't seem to break out of this destructive lifestyle that lives for instant gratification. This is where your conscience comes in. Its job is to foresee the future and make conscious decisions that may not be so fun in the moment, but will benefit you long term. That is the balance. Your conscience overrides your subconscious's automatic system it's developed over the years in order to do the things you need to do that will benefit you long term. Remember, your subconscious doesn't understand the word future. It's not in its programming. Your subconscious has spent years building out the system, so it's no wonder that it's hard to overcome, but that is the function of the conscience and the subconscious. When we build the conscience, we build up its ability to override all of that instant gratificational programming so that you can do that which benefits you long term. That is how you go from person A to person B. You develop your conscience so that your subconscious and conscience balance each other out. One side is out to reserve energy and keep you inside your comfort zone, where the other is pushing you outside your comfort zone in order to prepare you for a better future. This is a perfect segue into our next topic, discipline. And I'll see you in the next video.